Exploring Russia. Ideal destinations for families with children. When planning a family trip to Russia with children, organizing and choosing safe and convenient transportation services is an essential part of ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. This vast country offers numerous family-friendly destinations, especially when you're traveling with kids. Moscow. Moscow, the capital of Russia, boasts various fascinating attractions for children, such as the Kremlin Palace, the National History Museum, and Gorky Park. Kids can enjoy visiting the May Garden Park and the Museum of Moving Images. St. Petersburg. This city is home to numerous art museums and splendid palaces, including the Hermitage, Peterhof, and Catherine Palace. You can also take a stroll along the Baltic Sea coast or visit the Divo Ostrov amusement park. Sochi. Sochi, located by the Black Sea, is renowned for its beaches and warm climate. It's an excellent choice for families looking to enjoy beach time, and there are several amusement parks, like Sochi Park, for kids to have fun. Kaliningrad. Situated along the Baltic Sea, Kaliningrad offers beaches and parks. You can explore the Königsberg Museum, the Kaliningrad Sea Museum, and Svetlogorsk Beach. Kazan. Kazan, in the eastern part of Russia, is a meeting point of Russian and Tatar cultures. There are exciting attractions such as Kazan Palace, the National Museum of the Republic of Tatarstan, and the Riviera Amusement Park. When selecting your destination, ensure that it offers activities and amenities suitable for children, such as parks, children's museums, and entertaining activities. Pay attention to the season and weather while planning your trip. Lastly, to guarantee a safe and comfortable journey for your family, consider using a reliable passenger transportation service like Intui.Travel, a trusted partner for your travels in Russia. Intui.Travel places special emphasis on the safety and comfort of children by providing special facilities and child safety seats in their vehicles, allowing you to enjoy an exciting journey without worrying about the well-being of your children.